I have the age and humility to acknowledge that a lot of what I know you can find in other places. Been that way for years. After all, we live in the age of technology. But what I bring is not just some core of knowledge as it relates to adult daycare and residential care in today's climate. What I bring is the practical application of my experience, whether it be in problem solving, whether it be in financing, whether it be in regulatory compliance. And those things matter. And so I always ask that people remember that. Knowledge is not the key thing. It is the application of it for your long-term benefit that is.